Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the concept of Hangik Ingan, and how it relates to the idea of nobility. It's quite profound. Essentially, it's about being a person who not only benefits themselves, but benefits the entire world. So, where does this idea come from?
Yeah, it's quite a powerful concept. Hangik Ingan roughly translates to a person who benefits all mankind. It's not just about doing good locally, but extending that goodness globally. This notion actually traces back to the idea of nobility, but not in the way we usually think. It's about people who are not just wealthy, but have an elevated way of thinking.
Right? I see what you're getting at. It's not about being born into wealth or a noble family. The real nobility, according to this idea, is about the responsibility and knowledge one holds, and how they use it for the betterment of society. So, it's more about intellectual and moral leadership than traditional aristocracy.
Exactly. Nobility isn't just about riches, it's about a mindset. People with a broader perspective whose thoughts are more profound than the average person can be considered true nobility. These are the people who take responsibility for the world and their community.
So, you're saying that true nobility isn't about wealth, but about action. It's about being selfless and living for the greater good?
Yes, that's it. And interestingly, the concept of Hangik Ingan isn't restricted to any one group of people. It's something for all humanity. It's a call for people to rise up and lead with wisdom, compassion, and integrity. This isn't just about being a good citizen, but about truly contributing to the global community.
And when we talk about the future, this idea of Hangik Ingan is even more important, right? It's the foundation for a new kind of leadership, one that doesn't just benefit the individual, but the world.
Exactly. These leaders will be people who have the ability to think beyond personal gain. They're going to be the ones who emerge as true global leaders, people who work for the collective good. They will embody the principles of Hangik Ingan, bringing peace and progress to the world.
That's a huge shift from the typical view of leadership. Instead of power being concentrated in the hands of the few, it becomes about service and global responsibility. So it's really about redefining nobility, right?
Absolutely. This shift is essential. It's not about which family you're born into or how much wealth you accumulate. It's about how you use your knowledge and position to uplift others. That's the true meaning of nobility in this new era.
And with this new perspective, we'll see a different kind of society, right? One where those who contribute positively, no matter their background, rise to the top. It's a hopeful vision for the future.
Right? It's a new era of leadership. One where the people who can think critically, act selflessly, and work for the good of all will lead the way. This is the beginning of a transformation, and it's exciting to think about how it will unfold in the coming years.
It's really inspiring and a call to action for each of us. It challenges us to think not just about our own success, but how we can contribute to the larger picture. So maybe the question to leave our listeners with today is, what does it mean to be a Hangik Ingan in our own lives?
Great question. It's up to each of us to embody those principles and think about how we can make a positive impact. No matter where we are, we all have a role to play. It's time for us to step up.
Well, that's a wrap for today's discussion. Thanks for tuning in, and let's all think about how we can contribute to a better world.
Absolutely. Take care, everyone.